Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 26, 2023, 4-star Sudoku. 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 7, 8, 9. Column F, 6th row, we have 708. So 708 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 5th grade, only 1 number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 6, 3. Third row and fourth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 6. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 7. 10th row, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 9th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 8th grade, only 1 number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. The 6 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. First grade and 6th row and 10th row, we have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. 7th grade, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 4th row and 2nd row, column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 9th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 8. Third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 6th row, 7th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 4. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 4. Column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. The 9th row, only 1 number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. The 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 9. Column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th row, column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 5. Column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 4. 6th grade, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Third row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining 7, 5, 9. Second row, we have 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Third grade, it will already 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. The column H, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then third grid, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Fourth row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fourth row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Fourth row, two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column C, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column C, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then fourth grid, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column C, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column C, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, then 6 is confirmed here. Then first grid, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.